Enti abusua sesi amene ukasa de se obepie mu e wo TikTok a nipa ba ko a ye bo ne supplement na ye super ne pa abusua enye easy a eye Monaguchi e wo nsem bi obeka ye nsem bi ode na no no ebeka ye se eye Ghana TikTokers emomo enkasfa omo self se omo ye celebrity na ye kan celebrities a omo nka ho bi abusua sa nsem we e na Monaguchi ebeka ya ama sesi ano TikTokers omo wo TikTok abusua omo buafu omo kokwa paya abusua ano ayede because obi ewo a lot of numbers omo di nachi na se okotan media so eka se sa nipa no onye celebrity a which means ayede se omo ye yiyimu na abusua den na de sa asem yi eba ye santi eye Monaguchi ebe kan sa asem no eha eye GH media so message so be subscribe na wa share ama afoforo nso atie bi abusua ye ba Monaguchi ni nsem a waba beka afa Ghana TikTokers any Ghana influencers any content creators one o chemu a emomo ye omo adwen so omo ye celebrities na ope celebrities omo wo Ghana abobo omo nyina din yes enti se woni brand bia o promote ne dia which means onye celebrities enti eye sisi amene ukasa die Monaguchi nsem a oka na abusia asem e de ba ye eye TJ me ya e course yi na TikTokers for ultra pictures omo ne celebrities ni ultra pictures no e na eye Ahmed ye TikToker ba ko Ahmed one eye nana Efia ekotwa picture eno a na de sa asem aba ya ema Monaguchi o super eye TikTokers omo Ghana na omo nso asani bia goni su abusunya utumi se TikTok de eye TikTok what you say enti so betan TikTok na se like o tani obi image or TikTok dia omo mfa ho nchew abusunya na no odin o hwe de we omo super eye Monaguchi na utumi se Ghana TikTokers for no omoni abre omo nyina ye celebrities na abusuya yentie de Ahmed ono nso ode tuudwa after eye TJ mene ekoso no nsemo Ahmed ebe kan ye wi a ebe kwakotie eye Monaguchi nsemo ono nso oyede oka.
I've been seeing a lot of comments concerning this TGMA thing, and I've seen a lot of you guys complain that TikTokers have hijacked the red carpet, and influencers, other ex-influencers, Instagram influencers have hijacked the red carpet. Celebrities were invited, TikTokers were invited, Instagram skit makers were invited, a lot of people were invited. If the celebrities decided not to show up and TikTokers have showed up, fine. The fact that they've not showed up doesn't mean TikTokers cannot show up. And if they don't show up, that is when it starts to look like, oh, these people have hijacked the red carpet. But truly, it is them who they didn't show up. When you go to AMVCA, TikTokers were all over the carpets. I've seen some things where people are saying that Efia said she wouldn't be on the red carpet with TikTok influencers. She wouldn't be on the red carpet with TikTok influencers when AMVCA, Nigerian TikTokers and skit makers and all kinds of influencers and celebrities were on the carpets together. You guys are just hypocrites. It's one thing to say my outfit is not nice, but it is another thing to try and make TikTokers look like they are useless. That is one thing I will not tolerate. You just hate to see people do good for themselves. I walked the carpet, I rocked the carpet, my outfit was looking nice. You can go to hell and fuck spiders.
Abusuya, this particular guy we enam ne so a ema eye Monaguchi ono nso obo supplement ewo TikTokers omo Ghana a wo chirimu omo nye celebrities enti se program say bi edru a eye omo ntwe omo ho na eye celebrities ni entwa pictures na TikTokers for no so de omo pe ba bi enter abusuya na yentie de eye Monaguchi ono nso ode tuudwa abra no oye ni program ensem o kafa eye TikTokers ho a ama sesi omo nso omo ni abre no yentie wi a yebo wo makwakotie Ghana TikTokers omo nso de omo de tuudwa
rough, sir. TikTokers, you are not celebrities. So, Obia Sosi ever catch them one. Me Monaguchi, me catch them. So, we are brand influencer. Please influence your people on your page. The number of followers you have, they are the only people you can influence. You do not influence anything or anybody in Ghana here. When they mention the likes of Jackie Apia, then you say, oh, you know, that's Gino, face of Gino. When you mention Yamame Nana Mama Brown, or no, the brands in the body we cannot Gubuja. When you mention Bella Mundi, oh, Afsaban, she's the face of Afsaban. When you mention Kukiti, oh, Samsung, she's the face of. When we mention Ahmed, who are you? Who are you? Apart from braiding your hair and dress a boy dressing like a girl, what else do you do? You are nobody's nobody. You are a nobody's nobody. And if persuasion to stop you from disrespecting the A-list celebrity fails, force will be applied. Because who is now no? Say na ne kriado ekunu ekra ebro letter sisi ase shia no court. So who did in area time so a hypocrite for evidence bra court. O maame o papa obusuafo nyina o do sika boma. Unya. It is TikTokers no mumra mo wase wo ho. Now the most talented TikToker, the most talented one, Asafo Powers. So if you don't know, if you think all those things you are doing, you are talented and I are creative, the most talented is Asafo Powers. Now we shall for me the best here because I don't know, me retrieve any data on him, but that is the only thing I will tell him. Say a TikToker, you can only influence your followers. You do not influence nothing in Ghana here. So you are not a celebrity. So do not expect to see your female self on red carpet with an internationally recognized fashion icon who makes statements, who promotes the names of Ghana. You can never be on red carpet with her. So you can also get yourself a map and get into the sea and go and look for help. Thank you. Not if you
big ups to you, Monaguchi. Yankupon Shao. Monaguchi sa uti me aho. Ghana ha. Dear what Jimmy. 80 Jimmy sem. Dioni nyansa. 80 nyansa sem. Ti so ka sem. Na dear what Jimmy di watamana so beso so a. Sa nipa no. E wo so hu se dear what Jimmy no. Jimmy no refi yefum na bae. Enti so so no so. O ka sem ne so be kanya sem a. E kire se nipa kro no. Oni nyansa. Where hustle wable on street no so asem. TikTok. Said the Monaguchi kind of me who says like what you just say oh person be star TikTok team on your star. You can't star sir. Omo di movie shots YouTube. Omo na stars and YouTube kind of na ka on your star but and minimum Monaguchi area can be. But TikTok and first you trim so your star na on your star. Monaguchi waka. One of them is wrong no. Nyankopon sister we. Monaguchi, Ashton boy, o woman come mutawachi. Intia Jones. Keep pushing. Na catch us are picking. On say a Jimmy phone consulate a show. The intent say Jimmy phone a show say. They don't know what to do. They don't video are. A man on your was in beer. Mona, big ups what young people shall be a young people from the sun count. Ashton boy Meshirao. What bet it's in your sapem? What Jimmy to Jimmy Pem? We never had a participate you. What Jimmy to bury?
Enti abusuya wutie de eye Monaguchi or kana na me bisa ne say adentina Asafo Powers or say Asafo Powers ono kwa no yes celebrities what you say ono de wayi na sinchen this show say ma me no nim de all kan ebia ope fame or say TikTok for e man trend what you say trend na open no so benya because Monaguchi in some all kan no it make sense Asafo Powers a wo ka say ono de wayi na sinchen ono so a content creator or creative content enti so no so onye celebrities enti so obi creative content there na say uyi ni so no nko na ye celebrities there ene wo pesa wo kire den abusuya na eye Ghana TikTokers content creators ene ho kwani abafo no so de omodi bia mane no enti obi nso kire no how a wo so no so e kasa sa wonte celebrities a wonte ase a obi nso kire na ase na abusuya yewrom na enti de eye Ghana TikTokers omonso omode mane eye Monaguchi ewo de side yentie ni na embra.
We sometimes give people cause to shame our English language tutors from elementary school. Our low levels of understanding blocks us from identifying what direct, indirect, and quoted speeches are. I'm not paid to teach grammar, so let's skip that. If in this era of gross civilization and evolution, an individual has a problem with males braiding their hair, then this person should return to the times of colonialism. I welcome critics, but while we are at it, let's do it well and right. A couple of media personalities were mentioned, whom I hold in high esteem, and I know that they will not come and sit on national television and speak on such a shallow level. But now, thinking about it, I don't even understand. What were you trying to do? What were you trying to communicate to the public? Were you trying to shame me for being feminine, being poor, being a nobody, or braiding my hair? Which is which? If you are coming to the public with some information, at least you might as well learn to cross your T's and dot your I's. You sit in your corner and claim someone is poor. Yet when I'm invited to events and I use the little I have to make a decent outfit and grace the place with my presence, you are the same people that will go and sit down and say that, oh, this and that and this and that. I want to emphatically state that I did not insult Nane Ado or any A-list celebrity. That is something I cannot even think of. I can't even do that. Nane Ado is an icon and you are not. So why take it upon yourself to defend something that is out of your league? There are A-list journalists there who can do what you think you just did in the right way. And I wouldn't even take an offense for that. All I said was that people are saying that Nane Ado said she wouldn't be on the red carpet with TikTokers. People are saying that. I quoted people, not Nane Ado. How does a nobody become the topic of a somebody's entire show? Monkeys have always played by sizes. And so if my issue becomes the champion of your show, it means that we are all on the same level. You are also a nobody. Your show is dust. I know after watching this entire video, some of you Ghanaians will come and sit and say I insulted Nane Ado, which I didn't. But if I did, I apologize. And I hope to never talk about this issue again. I've seen some things where people are saying that Nane Ado said she wouldn't be on the red carpet with TikTok influencers.
Let's take things to the basics. Who is a celebrity? A famous person, especially in the entertainment or sports. What defines someone as a celebrity? Celebrity is a condition of fame and broad public recognition of a person or group due to the attention given to them by mass media. Examples of mass media: we have the traditional media, newspaper, magazines, radio, and television. We have the digital media, internet and social media platforms. And then we have the broadcast media, films, radio, recorded music, and television. At this juncture, Ms. Monaguchi, I can boldly say that you did not do your job well. You did not do your homework. You're supposed to be older and know better than anybody else. From the way you carry yourself, like you know so much, and you should be ashamed. Yes, you should be ashamed, because the confidence that you use to disrespect people that have put in the effort. Ahmed has put in the work so much. And let me tell you, if they say they are going to choose him over you, respectfully, a lot of brands will go in for him. He has the engagement more than you. He has the followers more than you. He has the influence more than you. So please, sit somewhere, do your work better, or better still, render an apology. But I know that we women, we also have our pride. I'm not calling out on you, but then, you know, yeah, you know it all, so you will not see anything. I will. It's on to you.
Enti abusia we nso de eye Ghana TikTokers omonso omode to dwan no yes obia be kire de wonso otie obia be kire wase enti se obeka TikTokers a waka obia wade ase abusia ha na mede obesi message obe subscribe to your channel no se ne update bia nso etomu a onso osa ebeka bi na wa share ato other platforms so se de afoforo nso ebenya bi atie kete wo se enye dodo no nwura makra bye bye.